Well, so we can hear you.
Oh,
Okay. So tell us your first name.
Paula Schofield.
Okay. And tell us, you, about 4 years ago, you got a Relax Sauna from us.
It was actually in 2013.
Okay.
I was having severe health issues.
Yeah.
And I started researching sauna therapy because I used to do so many heavy workouts and I never sweat. And it didn't occur to me until I started learning more about this that that is the best way to eliminate toxins. So I went ahead and found a regular, beautiful wooden sauna that I invested in, but I couldn't raise my core. I was still not sweating no matter what. And I ended up finding out about your sauna, and I loved that one, I could keep my head outside of the sauna. And I ended up coming to try it at one of your shows
Yes,
in Long Beach,
right,
which
yes.
I think was in August
Yes,
2013.
that's right.
I took one home with me, and I think it took about a week of, I started at about 15 minutes a day.
Yeah.
And then I built up by 5 minutes, and it was when I got to 30 minutes that I actually started sweating.
Wow. Because you were a non-sweater.
A non-sweater completely.
Yeah, right.
And it's amazing because it just helped me in a very passive way to start eliminating, dumping all my mold toxins.
You're having a real problem with mold.
Yeah, I ended up finding out that I had very high levels of mycotoxins from Stachybotrys mold that was found in my home. And I ended up testing my home for mycotoxins and also had my body tested, and it correlated perfectly with the type of mycotoxins. So this actually, by doing sauna therapy and glutathione, I was able to actually eliminate all the Stachybotrys mycotoxins. So this was a lifesaver to me. I love it.
So how'd you feel physically before you got the Relax Sauna, and then after all your treatments, how did you feel? Like,
oh gosh, well,
were
when I
you
was really
sick?
Yeah, I was very sick. Like even just walking upstairs was really hard for me because I had so much mold in my lungs.
Yeah.
And it just depleted my entire immune system.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so how long did it take using the Relax Sauna to get you into a state where you felt really healthy?
You know, we're subjected to so many toxins on a daily basis that I just made this part of my routine.
Yeah.
I just kept this set up right next to my shower,
right
outside of my bathroom.
Yeah.
And I would go into that. I'd dry brush and then sit in that, watching television for 20 minutes, which is really all I need to do.
Yeah.
And then I go in my shower.
Yeah.
So it was like a daily practice of mine.
So was this like 6 months it took before you felt pretty decent, or 3 months, or a year? Or?
Oh gosh, I can't really remember.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been a process.
Yeah.
And because I had so many other chronic health issues, so it's really hard to put a timeline on that. But I know just starting it and just starting to build my body to sweat was a very healthy way for my healing.
Right. So you feel good now?
Yeah.
You look healthy, you look radiant.
Thank you.
Great. And that's the Relax Sauna.
Yes, it is.
Relaxsaunas.com.
Which I love.
Right. There's the Relax Sauna pictures. And there's you again. And we'll now, right now you go into homes and make homes healthy, right?
I do, yeah. Well, I go in to assess people's environments and try to see if that's contributing to their health issues.
Right. So do you want to elaborate on your business and what you do now with it, and you still like the Relax Sauna?
I do. I love it. Okay, so basically when I was going through all of this, I was an interior designer and realtor for many years. Always looked to the beauty of a home, never the health of the home.
Right.
And it was when I was going through all this, I started hiring like an expert home inspector out of Wisconsin that was so instrumental in helping me realize all this, of how dangerous and unhealthy our home environments can be.
Yes.
And then I ended up working with a doctor who was the president of the American Environmental Institute, and she referred me on to a toxicologist.
Yes.
So it just struck such a passion in me on how our homes are so liable to make us very unhealthy.
Yes, right.
And we spend so many hours within a day inside, and our indoor air quality has to be pristine, or else it's going to contribute to our unhealthy loads of toxins in our body.
Yeah.
So I ended up becoming a building biologist. I ended up studying to become a mold inspector. I've taken building science courses, and from there I started up my own business.
Yeah.
And it's called Healthy Home Sanctuary.
Nice.
Yeah, and
What's the website for people?
I have two.
Okay.
They both lead to the same one, but one is my name, paulascofield.com, and the other one is healthyhomesanctuary.com.
Very good. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
and I do remote sessions for people via FaceTime and just walk around people's homes.
Yeah.
And the homeowners can be the feet on the ground.
Yeah.
And I can go ahead and have my labs and the proper testing supplies, and we go from there.
Beautiful, beautiful. And so you've and the Relax Sauna is part of your maybe the healing process for people to have healthier homes.
I believe so. I mean, I think that in today's toxic world, we need all the help we can to try to get the toxins out. And I think one of the most effective ways is through sweating.
Yeah, great. Okay, well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And
Thank you.
relaxsaunas.com if they want to know more information. And your website you already said, so they can go back and hear your website and go and find more information and call you and say, yeah, we want your services.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Paula.